severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, southern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Shelby County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Washington County, north central Douglas County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kennard to near Flanagan Lake, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northern Omaha, Blair, Bennington, Missouri Valley, Logan, Woodbine, Fort Calhoun, Kennard, Persia, Panama, Flanagan Lake, Portsmouth, Washington, Tennant, Wilson Island State Park, DeSoto Bend National Wildlife Refuge, Hitchcock Nature Center, and Historical Village Welcome Center. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile marker 66 and 79. Interstate 80 in Iowa near mile marker 27. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for southwestern Iowa and east central Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for southwestern Iowa and east central Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Douglas, and Washington, and the following counties in Iowa, Harrison, Pottawatomie, and Shelby. The severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cass County is canceled.